Hey folks, back again with a quick unboxing. Forgive me if my voice sounds a little strange. I've been a little under the weather as I started out the new year. Forgive the lint on the desk too. I've been unboxing a few things today. So I don't know how you pronounce that, Yogue or YOGES, but this is a head strap for the MetaQuest 3 or the MetaQuest 3S. So this Christmas, I bought my son a MetaQuest 3S. And the last time I looked into VR was a couple of years ago when you had the headset and you put your smartphone in it. And I wasn't really interested. I didn't quite like that. And I got one whiff of my son's 3S and went out and bought myself a 3. So I'm going to give this to him, though, because he complains that the strap that comes with the MetaQuest 3S hurts his head. So look into it here, straight up brown box, nothing special. You can see the seal. I'm now going to break it for the first time. My trusty knife. There we go. Put my knife away. Open it up. See what we have. Two boxes looks like, YOGES. Take this out. This is user manual. Make sure I get that into focus for you. And you have here, looks like the cushiony strap. Looks nice and comfy. The back that goes to the back of the head. The actual, and this is a sample. It may, oh look, it was sealed, so it's crazy when it was sealed, but it looks kind of like it wasn't, but it was. Let's see here. Get this out. This is likely the battery that goes in the back. It's supposed to be well balanced so that you don't feel the weight of the battery. It's got a little heft to it. I can feel a little heft to it, but this looks like the battery. See the charging straps there. USB-C to USB-C cable, which I think plugs into the bottom here. Yes, it does. You have four LED indicators here. Let me see if they'll turn on for you. I guess the batteries, no, there they go on. It's 3 out of 4. Put an angle, you can see that. Maybe you can't. It came on for a second and went off. There you go. Yes, this is how it connects. And the strap itself. So you have this adjustment to tighten or slacken the band. On the band, you've got these pins that obviously line up with these pins when you set it on, and it's magnetic. And this connects to the Quest. I believe it will be this way because the power's on this side. You would obviously install this strap. I have to do it in the back here. And this would be the head strap. So I guess this strap would install like this with the loop at the top, and this would be the head strap. So I'm gonna set it up for him and have him play with it, see how he likes it, and you can read the entire review using the link in the description below.